So welcome back to another QVscribe training video. In this video, we'll be getting started with QVscribe for Polarion. Let's jump right in. When using Polarion, you will find the QVscribe icon in three locations. The first location is within the extension section of your browser. This button will bring up the QVscribe configuration menu. The second is the QVscribe summary view, and this can be found at the top of the Polarion window. And finally, the QVscribe authoring view, which is located next to editable work items. Let's take a deeper dive into the QVscribe configuration menu. To initiate QVscribe, click on the icon within the extension section of Chrome or Edge. The welcome login screen will pop up. Click on Startup Analyzer and log into the server. Click Continue once the analyzer has connected. Enter in your specific team's server IP or host name and click Connect. Once connected, please select how you will be logging in. In my case, I will log in via the QTS user directory. Click Continue and log in with your credentials. Click Connect to your account and you're all set. Okay, so now that we are logged in and ready to go, let's take a look at the summary view. So there are two ways to interact with QVscribe for Polarion: the QVscribe summary view and the QVscribe authoring view. The QVscribe summary view is accessed using the QVscribe icon at the top of the Polarion window in both the Polarion table view and live doc view. This view provides the QVscribe quality score of every work item in the current view that has a description. The QVscribe summary view respects any Polarion filters that are applied. To ensure the status and edit permissions of each work item are maintained, work items in this view are read-only and cannot be edited in QVscribe. You can jump to any individual work item in Polarion from the QVscribe summary view. If that work item is open to be edited, then you can open the QVscribe authoring view. The QVscribe authoring view provides the QVscribe quality score for one specific work item and allows you to edit that work item in the QVscribe window. To respect the status and edit permissions of each work item, the QVscribe icon will only appear where the text is editable. First, in the Polarion table view, the icon will appear in the bottom right of the text box while editing a work item description. Second, when the Polarion live doc view is configured for QVscribe, the QVscribe icon will appear only next to the items in the draft status. In the authoring view, you are able to edit your requirement with immediate feedback. You may also take advantage of the ears templates simply by selecting one from the list. We will be covering summary and authoring views in detail in the succeeding videos. If you're not seeing the QVscribe icon next to your description in live doc view, your authoring view may not be set up correctly. Let's take a look. QVscribe for Polarion offers the ability to open a specific work item while in live doc view. To ensure the requirement is open to be edited, the status of the work item must be set to draft, and this status must be visible within your Polarion view to display the QVscribe icon. To enable this view, follow these steps. While in live doc view, click on the drop-down arrow next to the work item icon and choose Configure. Next to each work item type, there is a button titled Select Fields. If status is not already in the right-hand box, find it and select it in the left-hand box titled Available Fields, and then click Add. Status will now be highlighted in the right-hand box. With the status selected in the right-hand box, navigate to the options underneath the selected fields. Enable Show in the sidebar and document, or Show in document only. There are two icons to represent where the status icon will appear. Set the status to Show at the bottom of the requirement, which is the icon on the right side. From the drop-down, select Render as Text or Icon and Text. Ensure the box next to Show Fields at End as Table is not selected. Save your settings as default to allow the QVscribe authoring view icon to be displayed when viewing work items in live doc view. The QVscribe summary view also works when Polarion filters are applied. For example, when filtering for severity, QVscribe pulls in only the filtered requirements for analysis. Please do note that when using a filter on a live doc, it will put all items into the read-only state, thereby causing the QVscribe authoring buttons to disappear on individual work items. The summary analysis can be done, but authoring on individual work items cannot be done under these conditions. That completes the setup and introduction of QVscribe for Polarion. In the next video, we go into further detail about the types of analysis.